Hello everybody, this is Mr. A with AlisalCAN Community Arts Network and Alisal Union School District. This video is going to be for the exercise called Voice Spinner. Voice Spinner is pretty simple, but you're going to have a lot of fun with it. Before I do anything, you're going to see this circle of sound waves, like a recording track. As soon as I click the microphone button, it's going to record what I say to you. Hello class, this is Mr. A. Now that I've done that, it's recorded my sound. If I come down here to this slider and move it over this direction,
hello class, this is Mr. A.
It's playing my
hello class,
recording
this is
for you
Mr. A.
at a certain speed.
Hello class, this is Mr. A. Hello class, this is Mr. A.
Closer.
Hello class, this is Mr.
A
A.
little too much.
Hello class, this is Mr. A.
Way too much.
Hello class, this is Mr. A.
Totally too
Hello
much.
class, this is Mr. A.
Hello class, this is Mr.
Place your
A.
voice forwards and backwards. Play around with this with anything safe and appropriate to say and have some fun with it. You can also sing to it. You can mess around with this as much as you like. This is a simple one, but definitely a fun one, and I encourage you to get real creative with anything that you choose to do. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in another lesson. Have fun, guys.